Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into noise. 7 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Uproar, which means a loud and impassioned noise or disturbance. Uproar. For example, the headmistress found the class in uproar. Number 2. Row, which means a loud noise or uproar. Row. For example, if he's at home he must have heard that row. Number 3. Racket, which means a loud unpleasant noise. Racket. For example, the engine makes the most incredible racket. Number 4. Hullabaloo, which means a commotion. Hullabaloo. For example, there was a terrific hullabaloo over the by-election. Number 5. Hubbub, which means a chaotic din caused by a crowd of people. Hubbub. For example, his wife's voice could be heard above the hubbub. If you liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for similar videos.